Everybody, well, again another windy day. What is the temperature supposed to be high today, honey?
73.
73?
74.
It would be nice if it would quit blowing. Oops, sorry. Cookie, you're knocking this camera down. Or phone. Yeah, it would be beautiful. Whenever the wind isn't blowing 70, 72, it's warm. It is warm. Right, honey?
Yep.
Yep. Louder, baby. We want to do a video together, but it's very difficult to do it inside here. But outside it's been so windy that you wouldn't hear us, okay? You just wouldn't hear us. So, yeah, it's a problem. But anyway, I have not heard anything else regarding that man that passed away. I've been watching because I told that man that I would be watching, make sure nobody tries to break in or anything, I don't know how many people know that he passed away. I really don't. This area, this side where we're at, it's not so community oriented than the other side is. That's why we came over here, because we have more of a space of our own and don't feel like we're being boxed in. And yeah. But anyway, I like I said, I haven't heard anything else. I don't know if they have contacted his family. I don't know anything yet. When I do, I'll pass it on to you. But I do watch. I mean, it's a big diesel bus, green, more of a, like what, military type green? And so is the cargo. He built it himself, I just feel really bad. Really bad. Earlier or yesterday or whenever you all got the video, because it took all day for that video to go through. I don't have that great service out here. It looks like I have, but it doesn't go through fast, so I can't upload that fast. But anyway, we never know when our time is. And that, I think it's always a shock when we hear somebody that we know or love has passed away. Especially in a situation like that. I mean, you would have thought it happened there, but it happened on the highway. And accidents happen every single day. Every single day. I don't know who related to the animal control and the sheriff and everything, that there were cats inside. I didn't know he had cats. And knowing me, if they would have said, "Do you want them?" I'd probably take them in. I don't know why, because I don't need any more animals. But I think they got them all. They think there was only 5 in there. I think they got them all out. But they told me they'll keep it for 8 days. Keep them for 8 days. And then after that, I don't know. I mean, I don't know what type of shelter it is that they took the cats to. I have no idea. I didn't talk to that gentleman that long, mainly it was him relating to me there was no danger going on, and then explaining to me what had happened to Mike, and that was the name of the man, Mike. So yeah, know his name and pray, Mike. I pray that he knew the Lord and that right now he is with him. That's my prayer. I don't know. I don't think, maybe 10 minutes I talked to him. because it wasn't that long ago, you know. And he wasn't outside that often. So I wasn't going to go knocking on his door. That would be kind of weird, a woman coming knocking on your door, you know. Yeah. So I caught him outside, and that's when I walked over there and talked to him. And Noah did the same thing, you know. And Noah thought the guy was very, very pleasant and very helpful. And because Noah was talking to him about the turbines, the wind turbines. So anyway, hopefully, I don't know. I don't know what else to say on that. I really don't. Let's see, next Tuesday I'll be ordering my tires next Tuesday. And hopefully, I don't know when I'll get them. I should get them within a week, possibly. And then it's going and having them put in the what do you call it, honey? the wheels, you know. I don't know. Anyhow, I have to get that done. And then we got to change the 16-inch that we have in the back here and put it in the front so that we can have all 16.5s in the back. Duh, okay. Because I think that's what happened. We had the 16.5 and the 16s, and when we take those wheels out, those tires out, I will take a picture of it so you can see a lot clearer than the last time I sent it to you what happened to them. And I can see a lot clearer also. Oh, Lord. What else is there? What is it we were going to do? We have to do something. I can't remember.
Today?
No. When the checks come in. I can't remember. Anyway, there's some things that we have to get done. Oh, I'm going to go look for some paint. If I can't find it at Habitat the color I want, I guess I'll have to go to Walmart's and get the light blue, because most of this will be painted light blue. Most of the rest of it. I know I'm going to paint the door a different color, but don't know what color yet. I'm still looking at lime green. I love lime green. It's one of my favorite colors. Red and lime green. Anything that's bright, I like. I'm a bright person. Okay. So, anyway, let me see. I can't see anything here. Oh, goodness. Already 8 minutes and I haven't said nothing. Okay. Well, guys, anyway, I'm going to make this short so that it'll go out before night. I don't know. Anyway, I will talk to y'all later. Thank y'all for your prayers. Thank you for your faithfulness. Don't forget to subscribe, to comment, to like, and to share. I remembered them all. How about that? But until later, guys. God bless you. Peace. Love y'all.